Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm the client coach at Atticus Family Law. Welcome to this video series about the Good Divorce Principles, GOOD. This is going to be part one of a four-part video series on having a better divorce, at least. But these are the Good Divorce Principles. And to begin, G stands for goals. Now, Yogi Berra once said that if you don't know where you're going, you'll probably wind up someplace else. And that is absolutely true. That's why it's important to have goals in your life. And when you're going through a divorce, you can have goals for different aspects. You can have goals for the future. You can have goals for your process. You can have goals for your family and some other personal things along the way, of course. All of these goals are going to have some elements in common. So let's talk about those. Number one is that having goals keeps you grounded. Keeps grounded in reality and moving forward for what it is that you're trying to accomplish, instead of putting your energy into whatever emotional roller coaster might be happening at any given point. Now, goals are also inspirational because they give you inspiration and hope for the future. When you have a goal, you can see beyond the challenges of the moment, and you can see the vision that you're trying to create. That helps you feel better throughout the process. Now, goals can also help to create some stability for children in your family. When you have family goals, that might be getting the house clean or something else that you're working together for, your kids can feel a sense of purpose, a sense of stability in their home, and feel like everybody is supporting each other in the family in working towards this goal. So that can be helpful as well. Now, when you set goals, you also want to think about setting SMART goals. In SMART goals, SMART is an acronym. You might have heard this before. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. So setting SMART goals helps you to be very specific and intentional in how you're setting these goals and what it is that you want to accomplish. Now, as you're working towards your goals, here's a couple tips for you. Number one is to have a support system. Have somebody or a group of people who know what your goals are that you can check in with, and they can give you different tips along the way. They can give you encouragement as you need to. They can help you pivot to maybe change the direction that you're taking to reach your goal, whatever is most appropriate for you. It's also important to remember your why. As you set these goals, remember why it is that you're setting them. What is it that you're trying to achieve? Why is this important to you? And when you know what your why is, you can come back to that throughout the process, and that can help you to stay motivated to continue moving forward. Also want to schedule time to focus on your goals. Whatever works for your schedule, but make sure that you are actually setting time aside to check in with what these goals are and how much progress you're making. My last tip here is to determine some milestones along the way, because some goals can take a long time to achieve. And remember to reward yourself when you meet those milestones. Those rewards can look a little bit different depending on what the goal is and what's appropriate for you. So part number one in the Good Divorce Principles is to set goals. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Like, follow, and stay tuned for parts 2 through 4.